Hi again folks, how's all doing? This is just a very quick wee update on the SLW Class 24 here that I repaired for Mark. If you watched my previous video, you may remember I had some trouble fitting some of the bogie parts on, and I gave up, mostly because I just couldn't see what I was doing. Right, that's as much as I'm doing to those. Trying to fit these things on is just... no. I can't see where they're supposed to go, and there's no diagrams or anything, so I'm giving up with that. But it was kind of bothering me. I don't like being beaten by stuff like that, and I really didn't want to send such a nice model back to Mark with bits of the bogies not installed. So I decided to give it another go, wearing 2 pairs of 4 times magnifying specs, and I was able to see what I was trying to do and how the parts were supposed to fit. I also found one of the brake rods that I thought was missing in one of the bags of bits and pieces. So I successfully fitted everything, and it's now back to how it was before it was dropped, and I'm much happier about it. Now I can send it back to Mark, a little reluctantly, as it's a very nice model. Next video is going to be a long awaited lathe update video, I think. Maybe, we shall see, that's the plan anyway. But in the meantime, we'll catch you later folks.